Kids, before we go home, you'll put those back, right? Oh. Yeah.
Pizza.
Pizza or sausage?
Auntie Panty na rin, Auntie Denise. There's a shark!
Girls, you may have 30 more minutes, okay?
We're going to bring our fresh fruits. We need to bring our fresh fruits. Can you help carry the fresh fruits?
Kids, before we go home, you'll put those back, right? Okay, good. Oh. Oh, careful. You okay? All right. Can you read it, baby?
Tuesday.
Yes, Tuesday. Now, number 3, can we read it together?
It is the help.
Oh. Can you read the f? Okay. First. It's the first
Day of the school.
Yes. It's the first day of the school. If there is week. Yes, but if week, when you see two e's at there together, so it sounds e. Yes, week. So it says it's the first day of the school week. The day you go to school.
Tuesday, Wednesday, Monday.
Monday, correct. Can you write it?
Monday.
Can you
Monday.
follow the lines a little? So teacher can read it better.
What would you like?
Wow, Korean ramen. Okay.
Yeah.
Hi.
Group hug. Where's the group hug? Oh. Oh, where's the group hug? Oh, everybody should.
Your friend, your BFF, come on.
Oh.
Do not cry. You look at the camera now.
I will count, 1, 2, look here, 3. Smile. Pwede namang smile, cheese. Whoever's smiling can play. 1, 2,